Hey there, today I'm going to talk about a piece of photo equipment that might come in handier than you'd expect, and you just may look a little cooler in the process. Come back after the intro and we're going to talk about right angle finders. So let's say you want to get that epic low angle shot, and the only way to do it is to get the camera all the way down on the ground. Well, as someone who's just recovering from a nasty back injury, I can tell you that it's not easy to get your face down behind the camera viewfinder when it's all the way down there. I'm having my friend Chewy demonstrate it because I'm not about to hurt myself showing you. But I can help him out by pulling a secret weapon out of my camera bag. It's called the right angle finder. Most of the big companies make these for their cameras, and there are some third-party versions as well. You just pinch and slide the Eyecup off of your camera and slip this thing right on. Now Chewy doesn't have to lay down on the ground and can view the image more comfortably. But this isn't just for low angles, since it rotates 360 degrees. Anytime you want to aim the camera at an extreme angle, a right angle finder will come in handy. How about looking straight up? No problem. Or straight down? Piece of cake. I'm not sure why you'd want to, but you could even use it to see around a corner, although that might be a little creepy. Anyway, it works great for macro photography, and if you shoot the night sky, you won't want to be without one. I know a lot of people bought one to photograph last year's solar eclipse. But wait, there's more. This Canon model even has a built-in 1.25 and 2.5 times magnification, so you can do some critical focusing whenever you want, like maybe when you're using a tilt-shift lens. Finally, and this might be the most important, if you're doing a portrait and you want to shoot from a slightly lower angle, you can have that old-school waist-level finder look of the master photographers. Of course, this really won't help your pictures look like theirs, but people might think you look just a little bit cooler while you're doing it. Look, an angle finder isn't something you use every day, but you'll be glad you have it for those odd-angled shots. Let me know in the comments if you have some other unique uses for a right-angle finder. And while you're there, subscribe to Adorama's YouTube channel. You'll get a new video from me every Monday at 11 o'clock Eastern, and there's some other great free photo shows on there. You can also follow me personally on social media. I'm at David Bergman for information about joining me at a live photo workshop sometime soon. Until next time, thanks for watching.